So welcome again, and in this video we're going to make the experiment 11 and the NAND gate. So materials needed: 5 volts power supply, breadboard, one piece 74LS00 NAND gate IC, and jumper wires or hookup wires. For the first circuit, we're going to make the first circuit. So using this NAND IC. Magkabiglang magkita ba tayo sa QC, sa UP? For data switch 0, going to connect it to 1 and 1 for the to the LED 5. Next, data switch to 1 to pin number 2, and pin number 2 to let's number 6, LED number 6. Okay guys, and output of the NAND gate or the first gate is going to LED 1, and let's test it. And nisiga ang green but ano, hinay ra siya kayo guys, hinay ra siya. Dapat na let's test. So dapat musiga si LED 5 if i-on ako ni, then musiga si LED 6 if i-on ako ni ang dito, then off ang LED 1 is because we're using NAND gate. So ang condition sa NAND gate is if both high ang data switch nimo, low ang iyang output nga signal. So ang data switch dapat 00, 01 or 10 para mo send siya signal na high. Okay. So next, we're going to dismantle this for our circuit 2 or the circuit 2. This time we're just going to put the pins to 4 and 5. So for the data switch 0, we're going to put it in a pin number 5, pin number 4 rather. And for the data switch 1, we're going to put it on pin number 5, and same as like that. And testing, okay, if it's the same raba ihapon. Okay, good. Next, we're going to make the circuit 3, which is we're going to put it on pin number 8, 9 and 10. D0 data switch 0, we're going to put it on number 9. The 2 is 1 is going to pin number 10. Data 0 go, and the 9 goes to 5, and let's 6 na si 10. And for the LED 1, put it on pin 8, the output pin of NAND gate. So again, testing if it's work. So again, switch, good, back, let's 6, switch, both on, off. Okay, that's good. Next, we have circuit number 4, and we're going to place the data 02 pin number 12. Then the data switch 1 goes to pin number 13, and the LED 5 goes to pin number 12, LED 6 to pin number 13, and the LED 1 to pin number 11, which is the output. Then testing, then that ano siya, gana. Then dapat mo off ni si LED 1. Okay, ni-off na si LED 1. Then on na siya, then balik off. Okay, that's it. So for the circuit number 5, we're going to use 2 NAND gates for the circuit number 5. And D0 goes to pin number 1, and so the switch 1 goes to pin number 2, and then the output goes to pin number 4, then LED 5 on, no, we're going to add another LED. Circuit 5 for the data switch 0 goes to LED number 5, then data switch 1 goes to LED number 6. For the data switch 2 goes to pin number 5, and then 2, 7, and from 3 and 4, way to put it, goes to LED 2, and for the output goes to LED 1. Okay, try for the LED 2. Okay. Siga na si LED 2 og 1, but ini lang ang LED 1 og siga. So going to switch the data pins to see if it works. That's it. So yeah, which means it's working. Dapat off ni si dito to. Yeah, off po si. Okay. Let's try for the other side. Same. Put it to D0 to circuit. This is circuit 6, I think so. D0 to 12. D1 to 13, then 11 to 9, for the LED 2 connect siya sa between 11 and 9, and for the LED 5 and 6, 5 goes there sa D0, 6 doon siya sa D1, yung 7 goes to dito pin 2, 2 goes to pin 10 siya. So pari ako dito sa 7 sa 10 itong mode. Ang output ay sa 9. Okay, I think that's it. Then testing. Okay, Sika. Baby or okay. For the next no, this is the 3 input NAND gate. So now we're going to use the 4 input NAND gate. I'm going to remove this. Switch D0 back again, D0 to pin 1, then D1 to pin 2, then pin 3 to pin 4, pin 3 to pin 4, 1 is 5, 2 is 6, and next data 2 to goes to pin 5, pin 5, then 5, 7, 7. So these two, between 2 and between 3 and 4 ang LED. LED to between 3 and 4. 6, 4. Then LED 3 between 6 and 9. 6 goes to 9. 6 goes to 8, 9, and then LED 3 between 6 and 9. Yeah. Data 3 goes to pin number 8, 9, 10, and then the output 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then the output goes to 1. Okay. Then testing, positive, see if it's work. Okay. It's another circuit. Okay. For the last circuit, we're going to add to make it 5 input NAND gate. So we're going to put another data pin here. 5 data pin 4 goes to pin number 13. Pin number 13, and for the pin number 8 goes to 12. And so the output 11 goes to LED. Output 11, the output 8 goes to 4, the output 11 goes to 1. That's it. Testing again. Pwede na albos. See? Excuse me. On, off, on, off, on. See? Testing. All goods. I think that's it for the experiment 11. Okay.